Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Today on Sunday here, I'm still observing here two main scenarios currently. One scenario is, and they are both bullish at the moment, now there will be a more bearish scenario. And if we break below 33.3 cents, I will put that onto the chart. I did talk about that before, but it would lead anyway to new bear market lows. So there's no point focusing on it now, but as long as we know that below 33.3 cents, this is probably going to work out, or at least it is one that I would get more concerned about. Yeah, I'm not saying that it will certainly work out. No, but it's one that I would get more concerned about if we break below that support level. And if we then go down and test that green support area here and even break below 27.6 cents, then we are in a situation where new bear market lows are most likely going to happen. Yeah, we would then have to look at this as some kind of an ABC structure, which would result in new lows. This is of course possible. From an analysis point of view, I don't focus on that too much, just purely because we have support areas which are holding. But of course, I can't promise to you that these are holding. So that's where Elliott wave gives us these levels and tells us if these levels break, it's a warning sign, because the current upside scenarios where the trend is currently up, yeah, but the trend is probably going to change if these support levels are breaking. Especially we're talking here about the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. In this current scenario, which is currently the new primary, where we're watching for a leading diagonal, basically wave 1 to the upside here in February, wave 2 down in March, another wave 1 of a larger wave 3 as a leading diagonal, and we could now be coming down in a wave 2, which would most likely be an A, B, C structure. That is my primary count. Let's focus on that in this video. In this primary count, obviously we topped here on the 15th of April in a wave 1 leading diagonal. My view is, I mean, I can currently count 3 waves down. Yeah, I'm happy to count 3 waves down here. In the third wave, let's just measure what did we reach in terms of Fibonacci extensions. We reached basically, yeah, you know, the 200% extension is a perfect target for a third wave. We are also now in the target range for a fourth wave. I introduced that yesterday to you. Said in the fourth wave, ideally we get into the region between 39.5 and 41.3 cents. And if it is a fourth wave, it should not go above 41.3 cents, because then it's basically too bullish for a fourth wave. The fourth wave, which would eventually result in one more wave down in a fifth wave of a larger A wave. And that A wave is overall again the first wave of that larger wave 2. Which is an A, B, C correction. So the A wave down, then a B wave up, and a C wave down. Eventually, this ABC structure should avoid to break the 33.3 cent level. Then we have to look for alternative wave counts. Yeah, I mean, one more low possible. We would then, ideally in an A wave. Ideally, the A wave doesn't break below the 50% retracement, but it looks like it is possible here that it does it. Because if it breaks below the 50%, eventually the C wave may run out of space. The C wave needs a certain length, and if the A wave already is very low, the B wave might not be very high, you know, and then the C wave would be unnaturally short. And that always is a risk, because it could indicate that support is going to break. So what we ideally want is a wave which is not too long. We want a B wave which has reasonable length, so that the C wave has enough space to hold a wave 2 support area. Always bear in mind that an A wave can be a 3-wave structure. An A wave doesn't need to be 5 waves, it can be 3. There's no way of knowing that at the moment, and that's why I gave you the target for the B wave already. Because it could be that A is already done. It's not at the moment here my primary, but it's possible. It's possible. It's only not my, let's say, primary, because Bitcoin, Ethereum are very shallow in their A wave at the moment. So I think they will make another low. And if they do, then probably ADA will do another one as well. Yeah, but they are both possible here. The A wave can be a 3-wave move. And if it now moves higher than 41.3 cents, we are probably here in a B wave. The B wave can go into the region between 42 and 44.4. I shouldn't say it can, because it can't do anything, but it shouldn't go above 44.4 cents, not in the current scenario. But then I have to say, if the A wave is a 3-wave move, B may be very strong. So it's just a different corrective pattern. If the A wave is a 5-wave move, the B wave is normally rather shallow. If the A wave is a 3-wave move, the B wave can be very strong and even be quite aggressive and go higher. But we're not there yet. We need to take it's pretty much a level by level game. At the moment, the reaction that we've had to our support here at 38 cents is not strong enough for me to say, okay, it's the B wave. It's certainly the B wave or something. No, this currently looks still like a 4th wave to me. Can change, but at the moment, I'll go with this. So yeah, hopefully you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.